Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up some of my favorite brand new Hot Wheels cars. The first car we have here is from Project Cars 2. It's the Porsche 917 LH race car. Our next car is another Golf model. It's the Indy 500 oval race car. Here we have the Black Nightburners 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. Up next, we have the yellow 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT. This exotic model is the orange Lotus Esprit S1. From the Hot Wheels Flame series, we have the red Custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. We have another Flames model to open up, the orange 32 Ford. This Rockster model was the treasure hunt of the F-Case. Next, we have the new color of the famous Street Wiener. And our last car for today is the Bubble-Matic. If you guys want to see me open up more new Hot Wheels cars, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.